Hello everyone. So in the previous video we have completed till over here where we changed the radius to 30, and obviously we'll change this green paint to red paint. So this changes to red paint, and of course we have not added two statements over here. We changed I think we've declared it, but we have not initialized it over here. So we need to do this for red color. So we'll just copy this and paint it over here, paste it over here, and this would be changed to red paint dot set color, and this should be changed to red, and this is as it is. So yes, now this is ready. But the thing is, like how we used to increase the score by 10 and 20 for yellow ball and green ball respectively. Now for the red ball, we have removed that increment in score. So what we are going to do is we are going to decrement the life, right? Whenever the fish is going to eat the red ball, the life should be decremented by 1. So we'll come back to the initialization, and where we have declared the score. So we put a comma and we take another variable and let us name it as life. Now let's name it as life of fish. It's up to you completely. Let's keep it as life only, that will be too long. Okay. Now score is equal to 0. Obviously life we need to set it to 3 because we are going to decrement the life. We'll just change it. I think there's some problem if we take it as life. So we'll just change it, and we'll take it as life fish is equal to 0. We'll have to initialize it to 3. Okay. So we are done with this. Now let's go to the if part of the red fish, or red ball rather. So here we are. Here what we are going to do is we are going to decrement the life by 1. So whenever the fish is going to hit the ball, the life should be decremented by 1. So it is life fish minus minus. So minus minus means decrement by 1. And now inside this, if life fish L is small, so if life fish becomes 0, so if life fish is equal to 0, we obviously will have to display a statement of toast dot make toast, and inside the inverted comma obviously we'll have to write get context here because we are in a class dot java file, and we will display game over. So whatever we want to display, we'll put it in the inverted comma. So I think yeah, that's it. We will have to introduce another activity, but let's do that later. So now over here, so these two statements are for the red screen. We'll just write statements below this. Yeah. So we'll take a for loop. We'll declare an variable I. We'll initialize it to 0 and I less than 3. I plus plus. So this is a for loop. For I is equal to 0, I less than equal to 3, I plus plus, int x is equal to int. So now over here we have the first heart at 580. So what we are going to do is we are going to add 580 plus life. So yeah, we have already used life. So that's why we were not able to use life. 0 dot get width into 1.5 into I. And int y is equal to 30. If I is less than life fish, so we are just going to copy this as it is. So this will be Control C and Control V, and instead of 580 we will have x, instead of 10 we will have 1. And obviously the else part, so else, and we'll copy the same thing again. So you just copy this and we are going to paste it over here. Obviously else part में यहाँ पे 1 आ जाएगा. And there is no need for this anymore now, so we'll just remove this, all the three, and I think we are done almost. So what we did over here was basically we uh, over here we entered like if it is going to check the live fish counter should be minus minus. So initially we have set it to 3. First time it hits it becomes 2, then 1, then 0. Once it becomes 0 we have to display game over. And while we are at it, so what happens over here is if I is less than live fish, so this is going to be visible. So as far as live fish is more than I, that many hearts would be visible, and if it is not so, that many hearts would not be visible. Rather we'll have a empty heart over there. So that we will be able to explain you in the execution part, that I'll come back. Now the last part is to create a game over activity and design it. So for now I think we'll just we'll just create a new activity for now. So let's just go to app, uh, Java, and click on this package, right click this, new activity, empty activity. So a new dialog box will appear. You can name it as game over activity or whatever you want. So I'm going to name it as game over activity, and that's it. Nothing needs to be changed, and this is finished. So now the name game over activity is ready, and we will see what simple 1 or 2 lines needs to be added in the next video along with the execution of the output. So thank you so much. Take care.